This is the most asked questions that I get about System.io. What is the difference between a blog and a sales funnel? In this video, I want to explain that to you. If you're new to my channel, my name is Rianna. I help small business owners like you to set up simple systems so that you can save time and grow your business with ease. If this is something you're interested in, hit subscribe so you don't miss out on the upcoming tutorial. Okay, let's dive in. If you're new to System.io, first of all, welcome. And second, I totally get it. The terms can be so confusing at the start. I mean, blogs, website, funnel, landing page. What do you actually need to build? And what's the difference between them all? So let's clear this up. To the average person, anything with a URL is a website. And you've probably heard people say things like, I found it on their website, or I downloaded it from a website. Even if it was actually a sales funnel or a blog post or a landing page. But you know, once you step into the world of online business, it helps to understand the difference between a blog, a sales funnel, and a website as a whole. So first of all, what is a sales funnel? As you can see here, sales funnel, I have here an example. And you should think of your sales funnel as your money maker. It's a focused step-by-step path that leads someone to take a specific action, like checking out the sales page, then going to the order form, and then receiving the thank you page and receiving the product. So this is for buying a product, downloading a freebie, signing up for a course. So there are no distractions. Let us take a look at this page. There's no menu, there's no sidebar, there are no rabbit holes, there's just one clear goal. And a simple funnel can look anything like this. So first you have this landing page, where you introduce the offer. And then you have a checkout page where they can buy the offer. And then you have a thank you page that they see after they bought the product. So with the next step also, very important. So funnels, what we just saw, is actually like a conversion machine. They're how you can sell and scale your business. For example, if you're selling a $27 ebook, you can set up a funnel that walks someone through buying it. And then let me show you a tripwire funnel. So here, for example, I have one page, create and sell your own course. This is the web page, simple setup. Then if they buy this product, they're gonna be going to an upsell, and that is the branding and marketing kit that you just saw. Then they're going to go to a downsell, which in this case is a sleep guide bundle. And then if they don't buy that, they're going to be redirected to another downsell where it's just one product. And with these upsells and downsells, there's just a one-click order. So they don't take advantage or they take this offer. And then a thank you page. So you see now that you can keep offering upsells, downsells. No, don't go too crazy on this, but you're guiding them through their buying journey, one step at a time. Now, what is a blog? A blog is more like your long game relationship builder. So this is a space for educational content, article style posts. So this is a website that I'm currently building. And so with this website, you attract organic traffic through SEO, to being very tailored with your words, to establish your authority, build trust with your audience before you ever make a pitch. And so a great blog post solves a problem or answers a common question and then subtly leads the reader into one of your funnels, right? So this is going to be a funnel and this can be a funnel. And so while a funnel is for the fast conversions, the blog builds a loyal audience over time. Now then the next question is, what about websites? A website is simply the bigger umbrella. You can think of it as the home where your funnels and your blog live. So this is your homepage, your about page, offer, testimonials, links to your blogs and funnels. And in System.io, your blog actually acts as your website base. And so now the thing, what is really cool, inside System.io, the blog feature is so much more than just a blog. Yes, you can write all these posts that you want, and you can categorize them. So it has a lot of features, but you can also create unlimited pages inside the blog section. So you can build your full website structure here, homepage, about page, contact page. And then you can use this blog feature strategically to also maximize space if you're on the free plan or on the starter plan. And the other cool thing is if you're using this page for your blog, for your website, System.io creates a sitemap for your blog automatically. So you can submit it to Google and then start ranking. So this is a huge SEO win. So how I personally use blogs and sales funnels is in the blog, I use a blog feature to build my full website. So like what you see here, homepage, about, contact page. And then I use the sales funnel to build lead magnets, low ticket offers, checkout flows. And this way I keep my funnels very clean, focused, action oriented. And my blog, my website, does all the navigation and discovery. So all the sales funnels are being linked back to the website. Now, what's something that most people don't know, on the free plan, you only get 3 funnels. So you get 3 funnels and you get 1 blog. But the blog is with unlimited pages and blog posts. So that's why I also recommend, even when you're on the starter plan, use the blog section to create your main website pages and save your funnel space for sales. So this way you can sell up to 7 products by using 2 simple funnel steps. So just an order page and a thank you page and linking them from your blog. Now, if you already build a funnel and you want to put it into blogs, so the easiest way that I've found out to move it is do the following. And then you save each section. I like to give it a number. Save it as a blog. And then you can re-upload those blogs in your website, in the blog section. So you go to blogs and you add blog 1 to your blog section. Now, if you want me to walk you through that process, just drop a comment below this video and I can make another video about that. But just to recap right now, funnels are the focused paths to get sales and leads. Your blogs are for content that builds trust and organic traffic, and your website is the full picture. That's your digital home. So System.io gives you all these 3 tools in one simple platform. So start with a funnel, build your blog into a full website over time, and then grow your business without much tech overwhelm. If you want to get started with System.io, I have a link underneath the video. I also have a link for people who are already on the free account, but they want to have more opportunities, more possibilities. And there is a link that you can get 2 months for free. So check below this video and good luck with everything. If that was helpful, please give a thumbs up and hit subscribe if you haven't done so yet. And watch the next video. So there is so many cool things about System.io that I still want to share with you. And I hope to see you in the next one.